Once upon a time, in a charming little village, there lived a 17-year-old boy named Sam. Every morning, the village woke up to the delightful aroma of fresh bread baking. Sam lived with his father, Mr. Johnson, who was the village baker. Sam loved spending time in the bakery, learning the art of baking from his father. Mr. Johnson patiently taught Sam how to knead the dough, measure ingredients, and bake the perfect loaf of bread. Sam's favorite part was watching the dough rise and transform into golden loaves. Each day, Sam would wake up early, even before the sun rose, to help his father in the bakery. He enjoyed the quiet mornings, the warmth of the ovens, and the sense of accomplishment when the first batch of bread was ready. One day, Mr. Johnson decided to teach Sam a special family recipe, a secret bread that had been passed down through generations. Sam listened intently, determined to master the recipe and make his father proud. One afternoon, the village mayor visited the bakery. He praised Mr. Johnson for his delicious bread and hardworking son. Sam felt a surge of pride as the mayor complimented his efforts and dedication. The village was preparing for a big festival, and the bakery had received many orders. Sam worked tirelessly alongside his father, baking extra bread and pastries. They decided to donate a portion of their earnings to help the less fortunate villagers. On the day of the festival, the village square was filled with laughter and joy. Sam and his father set up a stall, selling their freshly baked goods. The villagers loved their bread, and Sam felt happy seeing everyone enjoy their creations. As the festival ended, Mr. Johnson looked at Sam with pride and said, "You have become a skilled baker, my son. Our bakery is not just about making bread. It's about bringing joy to our community." Sam hugged his father, feeling a deep sense of fulfillment and love. The village continued to thrive, with Sam and his father working side by side, spreading warmth and happiness through their bakery.